Hey everybody, I'm sorry. Now I launch a new function. It means sign the name. Please click on the button and sign. I will see who is absent and who has already joined our class. Today is very nice because there are 23 students in our class. I'm very glad to see you. 非常开心见到大家。Now it's 8 o'clock already, so we need start our class. 早上好，早上好。Good morning, everybody. 大家早上好。Now let's start our class. 现在开始我们的上课。If you want to link your mic, please give me your application. I will see it. Okay, now first we need to explain our last homework. Today is Wednesday, right? So today I give us the new lesson. We need to learn a new lesson. And the next class is on Friday. We will have a practicing class. So I will explain our homework last and today's homework. And then we will have other practicing about the listening, the writing, and the speaking. So please pay attention to our class. And everybody, I saw many students in our group ask me to link their mic. And I have already asked the platform manager. Every time we can only have one student to link your mic. It means if I link your mic, maybe others cannot. So only if you want to give your speech in, or if you want to answer the question, give your application to me, okay? I cannot link your mic one by one. Let's see the Chinese character first. Because yesterday I checked your homework. I saw some problems about them. Please keep your pen and paper and follow me. The first one is 月. It means moon is very good. And there is little person to have problem. But I want to strengthen some stroke. Firstly, 月, the first stroke of 月 is 撇. Please keep the 撇 instead of no. We just 撇 is right. And then 横折钩. 横折钩. Pay attention to the 横折钩. It's only one stroke. You cannot write down it about 2 or 3 strokes. We just have only one. And then in the middle, there are 2 strokes. First is 横 and then 横. Please pay attention. This 横 we cannot write from left to right. Just half is okay. Like this. 横 and 横. Apio, what's wrong with you? Adil.
Yes, 老师。
好的 what's wrong with you? I saw you gave me your application. Want to link your mic? Do you have something to speak?
No, 老师。That's
Oh,
okay.
you just want to have try, right?
Yes.
Okay. If you finish your speaking, please finish your link. Okay. And yesterday I saw somebody write the 月 is about like this. 撇横折钩 is right, and then have some problem. 横 no, it's wrong, because in the middle the two strokes just half. Okay. Here is gap. And then we see the 心 is a little harder. 心 is a little harder because of this one. 握钩. This stroke looks like a person lying. And then there are 3 dots. 1, 2, 3. You should know where to put them. Please see the order of this character. First, write down the first dot, 点, and then 握钩, and then middle 点, and then right 点. We can see the 3 dots in the left, in the middle, and the right. They have a balance. They have a balance among this character. How about the balance? We can see. Upper and lower. Left and right. Okay, so please keep the balance among this character. We need to write it again. 点. Oh, sorry, I changed the color. 点握钩 middle 点 right 点 Santosh, I saw your message. Okay, last class we learned the different order, right? So please keep today's order. Today's order is the correct one. Use today's order, okay. And about Santosh gave us the picture 月. We can see about the Chinese character we have different patterns, because if we write down by our hands or write down by computer, it's not similar. We must learn write down by our hands pattern. Okay? Just follow me, it's okay. And Xin, you please keep the balance among this character, because yesterday I saw some students write like this. All is okay, but about the middle 点 and right 点, they get together. It's not same actually. So we must separate them and then keep a balance. Okay. Sorry everybody, because I write down the character use my mouse, so maybe not very good. If you write down your character, you need by your hands, okay? And next one, Zhong. Please pay attention to the order of this character. Firstly is Shu, but this Shu is a little shorter. And then the second stroke, 横折, and then 横. The last stroke, 树, a longer 树. Let's write again. 树, 横折, 横, 树. Muba, what's wrong with you?
Hello.
Muba, your voice is very, very lower. Can you turn up it? Oh, here.
Hi Lucy.
Hello, 你好.
Hello. Ni hao. Lucy, we have dotted line in the workbook assignment. Right now in this assignment, when we are writing actually, so how we will recognize that this is the length, and for example, you got my point. For example, when we are writing actually, we don't have those lines over there on the white paper.
Muba, can you hear me?
Yes, I am hearing you.
Okay, now it's okay. What's wrong?
We have dotted line. We have different lines over here, and the basis of those lines we are writing in the worksheet. Yes, and when we are writing on the white page, we don't have any lines. So how we will come to know that this is the length of this stroke and this stroke? That will be too difficult for us.
Firstly, you need to follow me in the new class, because as you know, the strokes order is a little harder to remember. It's not same with your words. So every time I will show you how to write them. And if you cannot remember clearly, maybe you can see the playback. Okay? And I will find whether we have the video to show you about the stroke character order or strokes. But I need to find.
Thank you.
Please give me some time, okay?
Thank you so much.
Okay, 谢谢.
谢谢.
Now everybody, we finished the sign name function in our group. We can see there still 17 Students didn't sign your name. Why? I have already see 刷牙杯 韩愈 Usman. Why not sign your name in the group? Everybody, please pay attention to this function because the school asked us to submit the sign name list to the office. If you always absent in this function, maybe will affect your absent score. Okay?
Where is that option?
In our group.
Sign in option. I am signing right now.
No. Just see this function. I will show you again. Please wait me 1 minute. Everybody, can you see? If you have already signed your name. Yes, if you already signed your name, it's okay.
I didn't sign my name.
You didn't see?
I am signing right now in the group.
Let me see. Okay. Usman, Hanyu, all is okay. How about you?
Bashir Ahmed, Mobi.
Yes, I know. How about you? You have already signed? Check. Okay,
No.
I will check. Still not? Yes. This one. I show the picture again. Muba, you still not. You still haven't signed your name in this.
So how? Please share me that option. I attend all classes.
It doesn't matter. We go on our class. We will show it again in the break time. Okay?
Okay.
Okay. If you finish your speaking, finish your.
Okay. Okay, thank you.
Let's go on. See the last character. This one is 人. It means people, person, human. 人. And it's a very easy character. Just to have 2 strokes. First one is 撇 and another one is 捺. And please pay attention to these words. 撇 is more longer and 捺 is in the middle of 撇, start and then go. Please notice 人, the 捺 of 人 cannot like this. This one is another stroke instead of 捺. So please keep it. 撇 捺. It's very easy. I saw someone write like this. No, it's wrong. In the middle of 撇 to start and then 捺. Okay, this is about the Chinese character last class we learned, and then we need to review our sentence and language points. First one is 是字句，是字句，句 sentence 是字句 sentence 是。What happened? Whose mic? Please keep your mic silence, okay? First one, please follow me. 我是老师，我是老师，是 subject 是 object。我是老师，我是老师。I am teacher, I am teacher. 我是老师。你是学生，你是学生 subject 是 object 你是学生 you are student, you are student 你是学生 And if you want to give the negative form, please plus 不 and then be followed 是不是 not be 我不是老师 I'm not student I'm not teacher 你不是学生 You are not student And very important 不 plus verb and or adjective 不喜欢 don't like 不喜欢不想 don't want 不想The second language point is 什么 subjective verb and 什么这是什么 It means What's this? 这是什么 For example, 这是什么这是手机 What's this? This is mobile phone. 这是手机 This is 这是什么 What's this? And 这是什么这是笔这是笔这是什么 Orange A new orange 这是什么 Orange 橘子这是橘子And next one 你叫什么名字 It's subjective verb 什么 and noun 你 subjective 叫 verb 什么名字 noun 你叫什么名字 What's your name 你叫什么名字 What's your name How to answer it 我叫 blah 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 我叫 blah 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 你叫什么名字我叫 blah 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 Very good这是什么书书 book 这是什么书What kind of book 这是什么书 This one is about 什么 And then we learn an interrogative sentence with ma, ma, ma. Ma don't have the real meaning, just used at the end of a question, such as this one. 你是学生吗？你是学生吗？你是学生吗？ Are you a student? Are you a student? Ma here just means there is a question. Sorry, ma in the sentence just means there is a question. If we have a question, we just have to kind of answer yes or no. So if you want to say yes, it means 我是学生 I am student. 我是学生 And on the contrary, no. 我不是学生我不是学生不是是 and 不是 positive form and negative form 是 and 不是 And then we can have try our test 你叫什么名字你叫什么名字 What's your name 你叫什么名字我叫李月我叫李月 I am 李月 And then 你是老师吗你是老师吗 Part B 我不是老师我是学生老师 is teacher and 学生 is student 你是老师吗 Are you a teacher 我不是老师 No, I'm not teacher. I am student. 我是学生 Test 3你是中国人吗 Are you a Chinese? Are you a Chinese person? 我不是中国人我不是中国人 I'm not a Chinese person. 中国 means China. 中国 means China and 中国人 means Chinese person. It's similar with 美国 and 美国人美国 America and 美国人 American or American person. Okay. We'll do exercises. Who want to have try?
Chicken egg try.
Hello.
Now chicken egg try.
Yes, please. You can do the
Me too.
conversation with me. You can do the conversation with me. 你叫什么名字
我叫水布。
？OK. 你是美国人吗？
我不是美国人，我是巴基斯坦人。
巴基斯坦 Pakistan in Chinese 巴基斯坦Very good. 你是老师吗？
我不是老师，我是学生。
你是学生 OK, very good. 谢谢 Next one, we find two students and give us a conversation together. A and B. A gives the question and B answers the question. Okay, understand? Who want to have try? Sharani. Okay, I saw Sharani. Sharani. And Abdul together. Abdul, are you here?
Yes, madam.
Okay, Sharani A, Abdul B, okay?
B.
Okay, Sharani first, please.
你叫什么名字？
你叫什么名字 ？Yes, Sharani A, Abdul B, OK?
你叫什么名字
Yes, Sharani A, Abdul B, OK?
Okay. Wow, Gio, Abdul Hakim.
Please start.
Abdul A, I am B.
Okay, Shivani.
Okay.
I understand.
Wow, Gio, Abdul Hakim. Okay, Shivani. Okay, I understand.
Okay.
We all wait for you.
Okay, madam. Wow, Gio,
Hurry up, please. We all wait for you.
Wow, Gio, Abdul Hakim.
Okay, madam. Wow, Jiao Abdul Hakim.
Sharani, go on. You need to
Okay,
ask 3 questions and finish this round. Okay?
Okay, Abdul, 你叫什么名字
Wow, Gio, Abdul Hakim.
Wow, Jiao Abdul Hakim.
Okay. 你是美国人吗
Bushi, Pakistan.
Bushi, Pakistan.
Bushi, Zingmarin.
我是巴基
Pakistan.
斯坦人。Abdul, please. 我不是美国人，我是巴基斯坦人。我不是美国人，我是巴基斯坦人。OK。
Wow, Pakistan.
你是老师吗
Wow, Bushi, Zingmarin. Wow, Pakistan.
我不是老师，我是学生。
Yes.
Wow,
Abdul, Sharani ask you, are you a teacher? You need give.
Wow, Bushi, Laushi.
Wow, Shangman.
And then
Shushen.
you are student.
Yes.
Wow, Shangman. Shushen.
我是学生我是学生。Okay, very good.
Thank you, Laushi.
谢谢。
Thank you, Shivani.
Thank you, Laushi. Thank you,
不客气。
Shivani. 谢谢。
谢谢 Sharani， 谢谢 Abdul。Okay, we find another group. Just as saw Boma, right? Boma, are you here? Okay. How about another one? Okay, 韩语 Boma and 韩语 Okay, this round, Boma A and 韩语 B, and then you change 韩语 A, Boma B, okay? Understand?
Okay. I see. Okay.
韩语 are you here?
Yes, 老师。
Please start.
你叫什么名字
I'm A.
Yes, Boma A first.
Sorry， 对不起。
你叫什么名字？
我叫韩语。
And then change.
叫 OK。
韩语 A.
你是美国人吗？
美国人，你是美国人吗？
不是，不是，我是加拿大人。
我不是美国人。Please give us the complete sentence. 我不是美国人，我是加纳人啊。
我不是美国人，我是加拿大人。
Yes, 加纳啊，加纳。
Yeah, 加拿大。
And Boma, A again.
你是老师吗？
我不是老师，我是学生。
Very good. 谢谢你们，谢谢，谢谢。
不客气。
非常好。Very good. Okay, we find another group. We find another group. The last group who have tried. Saha. Oh, Sajid. Saha. Please raise hand. Saha. Sajid. Saha, are you here?
Yes, I'm here. Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you.
Okay. I start. I'm A.
Yes, you start A, but your partner still missing. Where is Sajid? Please raise your hand. Sajid. Where are you? Okay. Sajid, we all waiting for you. What's wrong with you? If you cannot link your mic, we will change another student. Mic problems, okay. The next one, let's see. Raise hand pool. Okay, pool. You B. You part B, okay?
OK，老师。
你叫什么名字？
我叫Subroto Pal。
你是中国人吗？
Very good.
我不是中国人，我是孟加拉国人。
Very good.
你是老师吗？老师？
我不是老师，我是学生。
非常棒，非常棒 ，very great，谢谢，谢谢你们，
谢谢
，Thank you，
不客
谢谢。
气。
Okay. This is the last time we learn. Today, we enter a new class, enter a new lesson. Lesson 4, 第四课 Lesson 4, 第四课。他是我的汉语老师。She is my Chinese teacher. 她是我的汉语老师。She is my Chinese teacher. Firstly, we learn the Pinyin. The second class, we learn the Pinyin initials about zhi, chi, shi, zhi. And now we have a differentiation among them, the pronunciation of the initials zhi, chi, shi, and zhi. Firstly, we should know zhi, chi, shi, and zhi are a series of consonants. We are pronounced with the tongue tip turned up and coordinating with the front part of the hard palate. We can have try. Zhi, zhi, your tongue tip turned up and coordinating with the front part of the hard palate. We can have a feeling about our tongue tip. Zhi, chi, shi, zhi. Okay, when saying zhi and chi, the tongue tip first touches the hard palate and then open a gap to let the airflow. We have tried. Zhi, chi, chi, chi. Chi comes with a much stronger airflow. Use our hand and have tried. Zhi, zhi. There is no feeling, right? And chi, chi. We can feel the strong airflow touch our hand. Chi, chi. But the zhi doesn't. When saying shi, shi, the tongue tip doesn't touch the hard palate. Zhi and chi all touched, but the shi, shi doesn't touch. And shi leaving a gap all among. Shi, shi, leaving a gap. Different from shi, zhi is pronounced with the vocal cords vibrating. Zhi, zhi, zhi. We can touch here. Zhi, zhi, zhi. Let's have try. Zhi, 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 chi, 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 shi, shi, shi. And the last one. Zhi, zhi, zhi. Please, when we touch here, we can feel our hands is shaking. Zhi, zhi, zhi. This is the difference between the zhi, chi, shi, and zhi. Please read this syllable and have try. Last class, we found some students to give us show their pronunciation among zhi, chi, shi, and zhi. Okay, now let's have a break. And 10 minutes we come back.